In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Blush AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to run through the most common ways to fix this. So fix number one is to check your internet connection. So Blush AI needs a stable connection. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch over to mobile data and vice versa. So swipe down. If you're using mobile data, go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi if you've got Wi-Fi where you are, or vice versa. Now, once you've done that, I suggest doing a quick speed test. So you just open up any web browser, type in speed test, and just run any of the popular speed test search results. So I can do speed test by this, and then I'm going to run this and see if I've got any connection issues. Now, the next fix is to force close the app and reopen it. So the best way to do this is just to open it up and just click out like that, and then reopen the app. Now, next fix is to clear cache. So click and hold down Blush AI, click onto I, scroll down, click into storage and clear cache, and also clear data. Now, clearing the data will delete all settings. So this includes all file settings, accounts, and databases. So click that, and then open up Blush AI, and you will need to re-sign back in. Next fix is to go to your Play or App Store, search for Blush AI, make sure that it doesn't need to be updated. If it says update, go ahead and update the app. Now, the next fix is to go ahead and open up a web browser and just simply type in is Blush AI down or Blush AI server status, and then just pick on any one of the top server results. Sometimes it's on their end and there's nothing you can do about it, so you just got to wait it out if their servers are down. Now, if all else fails, go ahead and reinstall the app. So just simply click onto it, click on uninstall, then go to your Play or App Store and go ahead and reinstall and download, then restart your phone. Hopefully one of these fixes works for you.